This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 26 of Building Robocop. This issue is a little bit strange. I've looked at what I'm going to be building and I'm not sure I like it. But there we go, let's get on with it. Looking at the machine and the man, obviously. Murphy, Robocop, one and the same. There we go. Exploring a bit more of that in my playthrough of the game, which is quite intriguing. Again, if I remember, I'll put a link to my playthrough of the Robocop Dark City game, which is quite intriguing. Very bloody, but quite intriguing. So yes, this is the outside of the front outside of the left thigh, which is plastic. I thought it was going to be metal, but it's plastic, which is okay. It matches very well by the looks of it. So we're basically putting two bits of that together with little brackets and leaving another bracket ready to attach to the outside. So yeah, it's a bit strange, but there we go. We'll have a look at that. We're not actually attaching it to the leg yet, but I'll have a look how it looks once it's built. It's sports Robocop, but cup sports. Football robots, very clever. They work together and yeah, intriguing. Death can wait. Is this saving your brain or mind digitally and then implanting it into a robot possibly in the future? Maybe. Not sure I'll go for that. Anyway, let's clear this out of the way and let's have a look at the build. Yes, so we've got these two plastic bits from the outside of the leg, which basically attach together like that. But for some reason, they don't attach together directly. We have these brackets that will hold them together. The first one, it goes on there in a direction. Let's just double check the exact direction that it's got going, because it's a little bit strange on that one. Just got it going straight across. So we'll do that. We're going to be using CP screws for these, so we're going to need 5 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, one left in there. Oh, there's 2. They always give you a spare. Oh yeah, that's that. We aren't using that bit, so I shall keep that safe for next time. So this is going on there like that, with one of these screws holding that in place. Let's go through there onto there. Into there. And then next time, obviously something else you're going to attach to that bit. But this is attaching onto there like that, with 2 more of these. So basically one going on to there. I'm actually going to attach this first, like I did that top one. I think it's much easier to get one side of it done on and then have to worry about the other attaching, rather than having to hold everything together. Get both sides attached. Get that in there. There we go. Oh, we didn't go. I thought I went, but I didn't. Not quite enough. Try that again. Got the screw going through there, which is, I'm going to say it's half the job, but I've already taken it back out again with the magnet on the screwdriver. So let's try that again. On there and then into there. There we go. So I'm not going to tighten that up because I don't know exactly what angle that's got to be at yet until it's attached to the other bit. And this one is doing the same on there. Go. So that will be attached like that. And that one goes across there. To there. tightened up. Go, needs tightening up, but that's not a problem. And the other one, line up and hold everything together. Oh, missed the screw. The screw's twisted itself around the side again. Try that again. That's not that. I don't think it is. It's not. That might be. Yeah, there we go. So apart from tightening that up, that is that. I don't know. That could have been molded in one piece, couldn't it? Wasn't necessary to do that, and having extra brackets and things on the inside, not entirely certain. But this is going to go on there. Like so. So, as I say, it's a very good match. You can't tell that one's a different material by looking at it. And this is obviously going to be the hero side, the outside. So, yeah, I'm happy enough for that. One looks quite cool. We've got a couple of screw holes there that are obviously going to hold this one. Goes into there. And another one will hold through the other side. That's probably going to be done next time. And that's obviously going to hold through the top there as well. So it'll all work. It does the job. And this is obviously going to attach. There's no other hole for that there quite yet. I don't know, somewhere that's going to attach. So I shall keep that safe for next time. So other than that, we are getting there. Robocop is getting a little bit bigger, a little bit taller, and a little bit more built. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more Robocop in about a month. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.